Welcome. In front of me is a CUBOT Max 3, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. So to get started, if you have some kind of case on your phone, do take it off. I do. So there we go. Off goes the case, and you will need to pry off the cover of the phone. This is one of those like old school covers where you just use your fingernail and go around. Now I do warn you, the first time around the cover is a little bit harsher to take off, but once you do it once, it becomes a little bit easier later on. So there we go. Anyway, once you take it off, you have access to 2 different SIM trays and 1 SD tray. Now you can occupy, damn, that was a tongue twister, all of the trays at the same time, but for this specific one where the SIM card goes, you would need to take out the battery, unfortunately. So probably it will be easier to use this one. If you're planning to use just a single SIM card, then place it in this spot right over here. As you can see, you place the card with the cutout facing upwards and towards the device, and simply slide in the card into the device. And SD card would go like this. And there we go. Now the cards should start working immediately, and as you can see they are. So there's the SIM card. I confirm the pin for it, and SD card should work as well, which let's see if we have some kind of notification, and we do right over here. So as you can see, both of the cards are working just fine, and this is how you would insert them. Now additional information which I just realized right now is the fact that the device just changed the language to the language of my SIM card, which is absolutely effing stupid. So if for some of you the device decided to change to a language that you might not know, I'm gonna just quickly go into changing the language based on where you can find the settings, just as appearance wise. So number 1, you'd want to open up settings, which is this icon right here. From here, scroll all the way down to the last option with the eye icon, and then first one right here. And then right at the top you will find your language selection, so tap on it. And luckily this specific device does not remove the old language, so all you need to do is just grab it, drag it to the top. There we go. And there we go, it just changed it. So just a quick fix to the language change. Anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.